Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Nitelutc. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that sells clothing for men. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I think they also sell clothes for women. And as you can see, they have free run shirts, sweaters, Spider-Man jackets, and a lot more. Now one thing you may have noticed is that they're very cheap, which is a bit of a red flag right there, right off the bat, since they also sell Bape, which is a luxury brand, and they only sell it for like $8 to $9, $10. So if you're ordering off this website, please do not expect it to be original or legit, since they're more than likely fake. And I couldn't find a lot of information about this website yet. I couldn't find their contact and a lot of things about them. So please guys, my website may be a scam. I would advise you to go with caution before ordering anything from this website. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.